Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Deborah. Thank you guys for checking in, and thank you guys for coming to rock with me. Thank you, my subscribers. Thank you very much. I see your comments. I see you keep coming, keep on sharing, keep on liking it. Keep on commenting. It's working. Thank you very much. You are keeping this channel alive. Thank you very much. So today, my channel today is about cooking. I'm gonna be cooking African foods. Mopane worms. If you eat Mopane worms, put a comment down below. So we're gonna share a few things of foods that we cook, that we eat in Africa, that we may cook differently wherever you are. So down below in the comment, tell me which part of the world that you come from and what odd foods that you eat, what weird food that people think are weird that you eat, but we think is a delicacy to yourselves. So this channel today, it's all about cooking food. That's what we're gonna be sharing about, and I will share food in Africa, how people eat together as a group. That's what we'll be sharing about. So sit down, have a cup of coffee and relax and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share it, don't forget to tell other people about this video if you like it, and also tell me in the comment what are the foods that you like us to cook, or how you cook foods in your own country. Guys, thank you very much for rocking with me. Otherwise, enjoy. So, this food is called Mopane worms. It's a worm, but from a Mopane tree. This is dried. I'll show you in the video then, when they are still alive and walking. So you take them from the Mopane tree. The Mopane tree, then you dry them and you clean them, then they get dried like this, then they are sold as dried food. So these are Mopane worms. So the way we cook them, you take the Mopane tree like this, then you put them in water, you soak them in water like that. You soak them in water because they've been preserved as dry foods. So you soak them in water to get them softer and to just to bring them alive again. So you soak them in water, leave them soaking in water for a few hours. So these are Mopane worms. It's a real worm. Let me show you. I'll show you at close range how they look like. So this is the Mopane worm. It's a real worm, alive. This one is dead. No, it's not alive, but this is dead. But that is a worm. How it looks like. It's got legs. It's a worm. It's a worm. They're specialized. They're called Mopane worms. Why they're called Mopane worms? Because they are only found in a specific tree called the Mopane tree. So we call them Mopane worms. I don't know. Some people think it's weird, but it's a delicacy. It's a delicacy. So when you soak them like this, you wash them up, then you put them in a pan. You fry them with onion and tomatoes, and I will show you then. After you soak them, when they're all clean and all done, I make a soup like this in a pan. So I put tomatoes, chilies, whatever, onions, peppers, anything that you can think of, a lot of spice. So I make a soup like this. Then I take the Mopane worms now and I add them into the soup. I add them into the soup like that. After I've washed them and cleaned them. So after I've added them into the soup, then you mix. You mix Mopane worms with the soup like that. You mix. Then you leave them to cook. I leave them to cook for about maybe 20 minutes or so, until they're all cooked and nice. So you can eat this Mopane worms. You can eat them with different things. You can eat them with salsa. You can eat them with rice. You can eat them with anything. It's a very rich. It's very rich in protein. This food. It's very rich in protein. When you eat it, so it's a sort of protein. Maybe in Africa, where maybe there is no meat as much, but this is like a delicacy that everyone likes. Everyone eats this. They love it. It's called Mopane worms. So you mix like that. You mix the Mopane worms in there in your sauce. Sauce like that. So you just continue on stirring them. Continue to stir them. Then you leave it to cook on a low fire. You can leave it. I don't leave it maybe just for 20 minutes. Make sure they are soft and okay. So sometimes I serve this with rice. I serve them with rice, but then so cook another weird meal. People can find maybe weird. I grew up my mother making that for us. It was a special meal. So like you boil white rice like that. So I serve it two ways. I can serve it as white rice like that, but sometimes I take peanut butter like that. Then I add it into the rice, and then mix it together, and you make what is called peanut butter rice. I don't know if anyone has tested it, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll show you how it comes about. So you boil the rice. When the rice is cooked, you take the peanut butter and you put it in there and you mix it together. I'm gonna do that now, and I'll show you how it looks like. So this is what the rice looks like after it's been cooked. So you eat it like mashed potato if you like, but if you let it cool, then it's tasty. It's very nice. So you can eat it as a starch with a protein, or just eat it, put it on the side as like you eat mashed potato. So it's rice, white rice, but mixed with peanut butter. So you just leave it to simmer and you add some salt. You can even eat it with fish. So it's one of those dishes that I've always stayed in my mind because my mother used to make these. So I make that as an orphan. So usually you make this with brown rice, but because I didn't have brown rice, that's why I just brown pasta served with pumpkin leaf. No ripe. Dinner time. So this is lunchtime. We are preparing to have dinner. Lunchtime dinner will be coming soon. It is a community. Everyone eats. Good food. It's nice. No, sitting on the table. On the floor and eat together. That's what happens in Africa. Tomatoes mixed with spinach. That's what we make today. And berere. This is okra. It's cooking well, as you can see. My mother is the main chef tonight. So I'm off cooking today. So I'll show you how it looks like when she all finishes it. Example how to cook okra. She said however I was doing was wrong. So I will show you what happens afterwards. What is gonna make, what would the okra look like? So she said I should come off the stove and then she can cook herself, because she knows best method of cooking okra. It is. So this is okra. So this is the final dish that Tumbuya is cooked, and I'll show you how to eat it. So you take your medium, your pap. Take a medium. You make a hole in the center like I've done. Then you put a hole. Then you do this. It follows you. Then you take another one, another piece. You make a little hole and you dip. And you. It's very slimy, but very nice. You take another one, then you take the slimy stuff. Then you take the slimy stuff, then you go. Then if you've got too hungry, you can just go. You drink it like soup, then you do this to cut the sliminess. What you do again, you take again your piece. It's a very popular dish. Easy to drink it, then you slime, then you do this. You're just cutting that sliminess because it's very slimy. It's delicious. This also eat okra. Okay? Guys, so meet you again in my next video, showing you another dish. So Mbuya has been successful. She's the one who cooked the sadza and the okra, and this is how we eat it. So today's been a traditional meal, and we love it. Thank you very much. Ciao, ciao.
Thank you.
I think so. Yes. It was. What's my chips? That is name. That is name.
I used to give it to the sugar guys from Madrid. So now, to my mother. I finished. That's why I got the name.
Ten calci.
Men eat first before children and women. So it's men, women, then children. That's I hope we see the homestead. Yeah, that's where we are. Yes, the chicken, dogs, everything to the homestead. My family. So we are rocking here in Jersey. Join us when we go hunting. We're going hunting soon. So join us when we go hunting. So we are going to so it's the fire. We've been having chicken. But here we are having so this is what women do. So here we'll be sharing all our issues. So here we are. So men have gone out hunting. So women they just sit here and we talking, sharing ideas. How to survive. How to survive in marriages. So first time I left this and yeah, my daughter. So this is what happens in the villages. So men go out together, they're also busy and yeah, fast. So here fast, also here we are busy. Gossiping. Yeah, my daughter. So that's the community. So there's a community. You're not alone. You are here. You can't be lonely. So that's why I like village life. So it's very nice. Modern life is there, but sometimes it can be so lonely. But this like this, you've got a whole community of people around you. You've got people to support you. If you have any other problems, you have support in the village. So it's village life. I love it. So rock with us later. Thank you. Hi guys. We are going to interview each one of them. What is called TikTok? Okay. What is not TikTok? Then it is not TikTok. And this is you. What are I'm not funga. I know. I'm not funga. Compare my TikTok.
In TikTok. TikTok unofunga kuti vanhu vanotaura zvemusisirei.
That is not TikTok.
Indongo zvona zvichiburisiwa zvimwe zvachingotaura zvemafanizvi papanhingi pafoni zvichingotaura zvemusikana.
Yeah, Belinda, that is not TikTok.
TikTok is the name of everybody.
So tonight, Nathan will be TikTok. You on TikTok. Yeah, wait on TikTok tonight. They will tell you what is TikTok. So all of them are going to do TikTok. No matter what is not TikTok. I think I'm going to TikTok. I'm going to $10. TikTok. Hello guys, we are introducing the grandmothers of the house. This is the Mbia Malaika. So I'm not cooking today. All the grandmothers are seated down being served. So Mbia Malaika here. Mbia Kundi. Mauze. Mamtasa.
We are Audrey.
Wow! We are Belinda.
We are Belinda.
We are Belinda.
These are all the grandmothers of the house. Yeah, so very soon I'll be showing you some other foods again that we eat, and tell me also the other weird foods that we eat in your country. Thank you guys.